Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Section 1. Hacker Secrets, Chatting and Code. Ever wonder how hackers in movies whisper secrets through a screen full of cryptic text? It seems like a scene straight out of a sci-fi thriller, right? It's not magic, it's encryption. This technology transforms your messages into unreadable code. Today we're going to learn about a tool that lets you do just that. Cryptcat, a handy program that lets you chat securely through the terminal. It's like having a secret language only you and your friend understand. We'll be using Kali Linux, a popular operating system for cybersecurity professionals. It's packed with tools for ethical hacking and security testing. Don't worry though, you don't need to be a hacker to follow along. This guide is beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Imagine sending messages that look like gibberish to anyone snooping around, but are crystal clear to the person you're talking to. It's like having a secret code that only you and your friend can decipher. That's the power of encryption. It keeps your conversations private and secure. In this guide, we'll walk through setting up Cryptcat on Kali Linux and show you how to start a secure chat. We'll cover everything from installation to sending your first encrypted message. By the end, you'll be able to impress your friends with your newfound hacker skills. They'll be amazed at how you can send secret messages right from your terminal. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Get your laptop ready, and let's start this exciting journey into the world of encrypted communication. Section 2. What is Cryptcat and why should I care? Cryptcat is a nifty little tool that lets you send and receive encrypted messages. It's like having a secret code that only you and the recipient can understand. Think of it like a super secure walkie-talkie for your computer. It ensures that your communication is safe from prying eyes. It uses something called encryption to scramble your messages, making them unreadable to anyone without the proper key. This means even if someone intercepts your message, they won't be able to understand it. Why is this important? Well, in today's digital age, privacy is more important than ever. With so much of our personal and professional lives online, protecting our information is crucial. Every time you send a message online, there's a chance someone could be listening in. Hackers and cybercriminals are always looking for ways to steal your data. With Cryptcat, you can rest assured that your conversations are private and secure. It gives you peace of mind, knowing that your information is safe. Whether you're sharing sensitive information or just want to keep your conversations private, Cryptcat has got you covered. It's a simple yet powerful tool for anyone who values their privacy. Section 3. Gearing up, installing Cryptcat on Kali. Before we can start chatting securely, we need to get Cryptcat up and running on our Kali Linux machine. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. First things first, open up your terminal. This is where all the magic happens. Now type in the following command and hit enter. This tells Kali to download and install Cryptcat for you. It might ask for your password, so go ahead and enter it. Once the installation is complete, you're good to go. You now have Cryptcat ready to encrypt your secret messages. Section 4. Let's get chatty. Setting up a secure connection. Now that Cryptcat is installed, let's set up a secure chat connection. This will ensure that your communications are encrypted and safe from prying eyes. First, you need to decide who will be the listener and who will be the sender. This is crucial for establishing a clear and secure connection. The listener will be the one who sets up the connection, and the sender will connect to them. This role assignment helps in managing the flow of data. On the listener's machine, open up your terminal and type in the following command: Cryptcat LP port number. Replace port number with any number you like, but make sure both the listener and sender use the same one. Consistency is key here. This command tells Cryptcat to listen for incoming connections on the specified port. It essentially opens a door for the sender to connect. On the sender's machine, open your terminal and type Cryptcat listener's IP address. Port number. Replace listener's IP address with the actual IP address of the listener's machine. This ensures that the sender knows exactly where to connect. This command tells Cryptcat to connect to the listener on the specified IP address and port. Once done, you should see a successful connection message indicating that your secure chat is now ready. Section 5. Cracking the code. Sending encrypted messages with Cryptcat. Once both the listener and sender have executed their respective commands, a secure connection will be established. Anything you type on one terminal will appear on the other, but it will be encrypted. Go ahead, type something into one of the terminals and hit enter. You should see it pop up on the other terminal. Congratulations, you're now chatting securely using Cryptcat. Section 6. Stay safe out there. the importance of secure communication. We've learned how to use Cryptcat to chat securely, but the importance of secure communication goes beyond just one tool. In a world where our data is constantly being collected and analyzed, it's more important than ever to take steps to protect our privacy. Whether you're sharing sensitive information, discussing private matters, or just want to keep your conversations to yourself, encryption is an essential tool for protecting your privacy. So the next time you need to have a private conversation online, remember what you've learned about Cryptcat and the power of encryption.